My name's Sophie and I'm 22 years old. As a participant of the hands-on development tour, I can say that this has been one of the most amazing things I've ever done in my whole life. I didn't really know what to expect when I came here, except I wanted a really grounded experience of development and of engaging with a culture and community that was meaningful. And this experience has completely done all that and so much more. Seeing kids and communities and working with people that are empowering women and communities in Nepal has been absolutely life-changing. And particularly the interactions, I found that the Nepalese people to be the kindest I've ever met, and I've been so humbled and just stunned at their capacity to give, and just the way I guess they live their lives, the fact that they don't have very much but they give so much through just interacting and kindness. And I've learned I guess in this trip that what's most important more than things is people and relationships, and being able to put my life in Australia aside to really embrace the culture here has been really remarkable, and I guess has opened me up to connect deeply with some of the women at the centre who are doing amazing work. Anita and the team at 7 Women. And I guess some of the highlights were when we actually looked at the people that are working on the ground to create change, because we were exposed to a lot of poverty and a lot of quite confronting experiences, but parallel to that there was always a story of hope and a story of a community or a person that was trying to do something to change it. And that's why this trip was so perfectly balanced, and I'm really grateful to have done it, because I feel like I've left with that full, complete experience, and it hasn't been too sad and heavy. It's been amazing.